Alright, here we have a 1990 Infiniti Q45 lost key situation. In a few minutes we're going to show you a working key to this vehicle. Okay, we're back at that Infiniti 1990. As you can see, we got the key working the doors. As you can see, it's a laser cut key. I don't know if you see it real good. We can make these on site without any codes. The dealer usually has to order these. It takes about, I don't know, 3 days to order it. You have to go there, prepay it, wait for it to come in now, and then pick it up. As you see now, the key works the trunk. And the key now works the ignition. It starts the engine. So you have any problems, you need some keys made for your Infiniti Q45 laser cut keys, give us a call. Go to our website, www.acmlocksmithgroup. Thank you.